Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're running a series of scientific experiments to answer one of the Unity's classic questions: rigid body or character controller? On my left, the assassin, powered by Unity physics, uses a rigid body.
I obey the laws of physics, mostly.
And on my right, the knight, powered by character controller.
My movement is precise, stable, mathematically elegant.
Habibi, you mean boring.
I mean reliable.
First test, collision with objects. Okay, move towards the barrels.
Behold the power of rigid body physics.
When you use a rigid body, Unity's physics engine handles collision automatically. Objects react to forces and move naturally.
Why are they ignoring me? My armor's shiny. How do they not see me?
They don't respect fake physics.
Character controller don't apply physical force by default. They detect collisions, but they don't push objects until you program it manually.
The cruelty of fate.
Time for jump and gravity test. Rigid body character automatically use Unity's gravity and physics. It means that it uses real physics simulation, has momentum and inertia, interact naturally with other physical objects.
Gravity and I have an understanding.
Coordinates locked. A calculated descent.
Habibi, you fell like a spreadsheet.
Character controller movement usually use custom gravity with written code. It gives very precise and responsive control, but it is not realistic. It is commonly used in platformers and character-focused games. Now let's test something character controllers are famous for: stairs.
The stairs are attacking me. Since when do stairs have murderous intent?
Rigid body characters often need extra tuning to handle stairs properly, like using raycast.
The battle is mine. Behold my glory.
The character controller has built-in features like step offsets and a slope limit that help characters move smoothly across uneven surfaces. Next test, external forces.
Damn! I regret nothing.
Must have been the wind.
Character controllers ignore most physics forces unless you program them manually.
Show off.
Or next experiment, opening a chest using on-collision.
Alhamdulillah, treasure acquired.
This works because the assassin has a rigid body. Unity's physics detects the on-collision immediately.
Did the chest not see me? I touched it. I deserve loot.
The chest requires physics credentials.
This happened because the knight uses a character controller, which is not part of the Unity physics simulation. To fix this, we can use on-trigger or on-controller collider hit. On-trigger works for both rigid body and character controller, but on-collision works just for rigid bodies, so we use on-controller collider hit on player who has the character controller.
Victory!
And the final experiment, physics, material, and friction. This surface has a very weird physics material.
Damn!
Rigid body obeys the surface's friction and bounciness settings.
I never slip. I calculate.
Character controller ignores physics material completely. You must code your own, a slide effect. Final conclusion. So which system should you use? Rigid body is perfect for games with heavy physics, interactions, explosions, and realistic object reactions. Character controller is ideal for precise player movement, like first-person controller or RPG games, where stability and control matters more than physics. Thanks for watching!